Hey guys, what's up? It's Wednesday, which means we're going to do another break of Road to WrestleMania. See, I got a picture in the background, just arrived. There was a private signing with Bailey, and even though I do have a picture and actually a worn headband of hers signed, first time I've seen this picture with the tag champs. Looks like she ran out of room to sign, but anyway, I thought it was cool to have this picture with them with the champs and possibly get it also signed by Sasha down the line. That said, let's start this break. I did just buy one more blaster of these, only for the fact I was going to not buy anything else until I broke all these, but I noticed I had an odd number of boxes, and if you've watched my videos, unless I can only find one, it's basically rare that I only do one blaster. I like to do two. Sometimes I've done more than that, but basically like to do two in hopes that I will get at least one decent hit. And it's very hard to tell with these, again, because I might have one more from the card store that only has the hit in it, but all these ones from Target, from Walmart, all have like 4 cards in with the relic. Rousey tribute. As always, gonna try and plow through these cards pretty fast. Did have a nice vacation. If you guys saw my last video, I did that while I was on vacation. Actually, no, I did one on Sunday when I came back. I'll do so many of these things I lose track. Yeah. Anyway, nice vacation. Nice to get a break. And we are just getting closer and closer to WrestleMania. Looking forward to WrestleCon. Have most of my money set aside. Just want to look at the budget, because I really would, even though I'm not happy that they're making you buy either 2 autographs or a combo at minimum. There is something I would really like to get Shawn Michaels to sign. So we'll see how that goes. More bronze. And I believe we're at our last pack before the hit. May end up ordering a hobby box of this, because the next card show, which I usually go to after work, I will actually be off work that day. So, wow. This one feels thick. Yeah, it's a medallion. Sin Cara. The numbers are on the side. So this is 175 of 199. Yeah. Gotta be considered a bust. Not sure if that's the box I bought today or not. I did try and do the old weigh it out thing to see if there was a lighter box. Yeah, this one's definitely not a medallion. So this is most likely the box I bought today. Got that Carmella card. And there is Bailey. Ruby Riott. But hey, if I don't hit anything, figured why not include that picture so at least you get to see an autograph. Looks like we got 3 packs for our next hit. Rousey Tribute. Alright, last pack for the hit. I think it's a matte. Yeah, I'm not very good at so we've got the Miz matte relic. From what I can see, there is no number on here. So, not much with this break. So that's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Keep checking back.